Good afternoon, Avon High School. I'm Mark Steinmetz.
And I'm Megan Ksiezyk. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving break and some good food.
National Honor Society will be hosting their annual toy drive in conjunction with the Avon Police Department on Wednesday, November 28th through Friday, December 7th. AHS will be collecting new toys and money during first period classes and lunches. All toys will be distributed to less fortunate Avon families. The top 2 classes in toys and financial donations will win a snack pack. Take some time to make a child's holiday happier.
It's time to clean out your closets. Avon cheerleaders are collecting shoes for a fundraising shoe drive. Please consider donating worn shoes to this great cause. Shoes can be any type and any size and can be dropped off at Avon High School in the big box in the mailroom from now till the end of December. Anyone can also contact any Avon cheerleader or Coach Marissa to arrange a pickup. Thanks for your support. Avon Choir and Drama Boosters is hosting an open mic night fundraiser on Friday, November 30th in the Avon High School auditorium. They are looking for a wide variety of talent, including singers, musicians, groups, comedians, rappers, spoken word performers, and more. The event is open to the public and the age range is 12 and up. To register in advance, go to the Avon Choir and Drama Boosters Facebook page and leave your information in a private message for the administrators. They will be taking additional signups at the door.
All acts, music, songs, etc. must be appropriate for middle and high school age audiences. All performances should have all equipment that they need tuned, charged, and ready to go. A piano and microphone will be available for performers to use. Singers may sing a cappella or provide a link to a backing track that can be played. Doors will open at 5:30 p.m. and acts will start as soon as performers are ready to go. The event will end at 9 p.m. A spectator entrance fee of $5 for adults and $2 for students will be collected to watch the event. There is no charge for performers. Hope to see all talented students, parents, or teachers there. Megan,
What?
The time is here.
What time?
It's late start time.
No way.
Yes way.
When? Oh my gosh.
Put Wednesday, December 5th on your calendar as the next AHS late start. Check out the late start bell schedule in your student planners and plan accordingly. Early bird classes begin at 8:30 a.m. and first period begins at 9:14 a.m. on Wednesday, December 5th's late start.
NHS will be hosting a donut day in the morning on Friday, November 30th, before early bird and first period classes in the Commons. Stop in this Friday for a donut for just $1. Hey Mark, did you know that Avon has an ice hockey team?
Yeah, I've heard about them.
Well, there's a game Tuesday night. You should come.
You know what? I think I will since Donna's there.
All right. Well, if he's there, Mark will be there. So the Avon hockey team will take on the Amherst Commons Tuesday night at 8:30 p.m. at the Elyria Rec Center. Please come out and cheer them on for their league matchup. And let's take a look at the Purple and White Pep Assembly from last week. Well, that's all we have for you today, Eagles. I'm Megan Ksiezyk.
I'm Mark Steinmetz, and there's only 20 school days till winter break.
Woo!